the armed forces, and all of the police. It has always been the policy of the United States, in particular, my administration. It has always been the policy of the United States, in particular, my administration, that this terrorist regime can never have a nuclear weapon. I'll say it again. They can never have a nuclear weapon. And we sought repeatedly to make a deal, but Iran refused, just as it has for decades and decades. They've rejected every opportunity to renounce their nuclear ambitions, and we can't take it anymore. For these reasons, the United States military is undertaking a massive and ongoing operation to prevent this very wicked, radical dictatorship from threatening America and our core national security interests. We are going to destroy their missiles and raise their missile industry to the ground. It will be totally, again, obliterated. To the members of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard, the armed forces, and all of the police, I say tonight that you must lay down your weapons and have complete immunity, or in the alternative, face certain death.
Waanuma kamiifuu maal akka ta'u bullee ilaallaa. Horaa bulaa deebanaa odeeffannoo dabalataaf fuula miidiyaa keenya subscribe, like, comment, share taasisuun nu hordofaa.